Day 21. It is late. Well, that's noisy.
Yeah, it is.
What you doing?
Making broccoli?
We're making dinner.
Yeah.
We're tag teaming dinner.
Yeah.
Right? Can you say day 21 so I can do the stinger?
Day 21.
Perfect. Alright, so you're making broccoli. I'm making fish.
I'm going to roast broccoli.
You're roasting?
As well as I can without a broiler.
Wait, you were not growing the broccoli from scratch?
I am not.
No, okay.
I purchased some already cut broccoli florets from
Okay.
BJ's.
Yep.
And I'm doing olive oil, salt, pepper, and minced garlic. And you just shake the heck out of it.
Yep.
And put it on a pan for 10 minutes. Usually under the broiler, so it gets nice and like crispy-ish.
Yeah.
But we'll just do it at 425 in the oven for a bit.
Yep, because we got the convection microwave, which we love.
And it's really just making it hot, you know.
Right,
So,
yeah. And I feel like the broiler sometimes burns it a little bit. And some of those little burn bits are kind of yummy.
those are my favorite bits.
Well, oh, someone else is hungry. He's just shoving his bowl around like a little punk.
Sometimes I will put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce in it just to give it that umami flavor.
Right. Are you doing that this time?
I think so. We have Worcestershire sauce.
Or do you want to
don't
add the teriyaki to it?
we? No.
No. Okay.
That's
Because
not the flavor
that's,
I want.
but that's very garlicky too.
No, I don't want that.
And for the fish, Ben doesn't have clothes on, so I'm gonna stay over here. So for the fish, I just have it's tilapia, right?
Yeah, it's just tilapia.
Yeah. So tilapia with lemon pepper all over it, and I'm just gonna do a light saute in butter. Simple.
This is very loud. Gallon bag with lots of air works really well. Yum.
Already smells good.
Yes. Garlic will do that.
Today has been very busy at work, and Erin was gone most of the day doing laundry, which is
Well,
explains this.
laundry and Christmas.
Yeah, she disappeared to do a little bit of extra Christmas shopping while I watched the children.
You watch the children.
While I watched them romp
Babysitter.
around. I mean, no, I have not been off my computer all day. What else is going on? We're
Ooh, that sounds
rewatching The
fantastic.
Witcher,
Yes.
because Witcher Season 2 came out.
The other day.
Oh, she's tossed the bag again.
Sorry, I added the Worcestershire sauce. Okay.
I'm not recording here or anything.
Okay, sorry.
But we're rewatching The Witcher Season 1 because Season 2 came out this past Friday, and we like to be up to date on things when we watch them.
And Brian didn't read the Witcher series.
Well, you didn't read it before Season 1 either.
No, I didn't. I read it after we watched, or kind of maybe halfway between starting. I don't know when I started it, but
No, we
I
plowed through Season 1.
I just finished all like 9 books of the Witcher series like a month ago. So
Right.
things make more sense when you've
Already,
read the books.
and we're only on episode 2, yeah.
Yeah. Second step after you've done all the seasoning.
Back on Aaron. Okay,
A
next
little
step.
bit of aluminum foil because it makes it crispier, I think. I don't know. But it doesn't get as crispy on the...
The pan cleanup's also a little easier too.
Well, I mean, instead of the parchment, I like
Right.
the aluminum more than the parchment. And then you just cook it until it reaches your desired level of whatever. I really just want it to be hot when I
Right.
eat it. I
Well,
would eat it just like it is right now.
You let it brown a little bit.
I do.
Yeah.
But I could just eat it the way it is right now.
We'll show it when it comes out, show you what it looks like. Unfortunately, we cannot share what it smells like. So you'll just have to make it for yourself.
Yeah.
It's super easy, and it's one of those like last minute just throw it in
Yep.
sort of things.
I think we'll have
Fish?
asparagus next time.
Fish, I don't cook fish very often, so I can't promise anything.
Right. It's not good, then we're just having broccoli.
That's right. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, this is going in.
Yeah. So hold on. Put it on. Put it on pan. I think I'll just leave it on medium.
Yeah, medium's fine.
Yeah, I'm not trying to like fry it super quick, and I don't want it to steam.
No.
So yeah. So we'll just let the butter melt, and then we'll throw the not chicken in and see how it goes.
Okay, we did lemon pepper.
Yes, lemon pepper.
Me out eating things
Huh?
from the can.
Pickles.
Pickles.
But these are special pickles.
These are special pickles.
These are special pickles from one of our favorite people. Every time Dan and Karen go back to Pennsylvania, they come back with pickles. And those are the best pickles.
They are.
And then fish is in, and just doing a little bit of a simmer at 320. So It's going along, and the that smells really good.
It's making the house smell good.
Yeah. I'm unsure about this, but we'll see. We'll see.
I think it'll be fine.
Oh, hey, wait, whoa! Let me see those ears. Let me see those ears. Ooh, other side. Pretty. Do you like having them in now?
Yes.
Yeah. Have you been just staring at yourself in the mirror?
No.
Oh, Ben's not wearing clothes.
You just put your pants on.
All right. We'll keep cooking this, and we'll be back in a couple minutes. I just flipped them, and they look pretty good.
They look pretty good.
Yeah. It's always... I'm going to end up cutting them in half, because one side is always like twice or 3 times as thick as the other side. But I've got the thicker sides in the middle of the pan, so they should be cooking a little bit faster than the other ones. But it smells good.
Yeah.
This is lemon pepper, just cooking it in a little bit of butter. And then the broccoli continues to bake away.
Oh yeah, they're
that
starting to
smells
get. I have to do this in stages. I only did one, but see, it fits a big cookie sheet.
That's a half sheet pan, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll take that over those propane ovens any
Yep.
day.
I'm happy with it.
Yep. Although the new ones, like Karen's new one, looks like
Like it would do a
works really
proper
well.
bake. Yeah.
Oh, we've got pants on now.
Oh.
Big
All the way
ones.
up past your belly button.
Why are you upset? Hi.
How's it going, Urkel?
Right there.
One thing I forgot, just a quick little update, passport stuff. My passport expired, and I was annoyed when I found that out, because from what I understand, up until recently, if your passport expires, you have to go through the entire process all over again with sending in a birth certificate and all of that junk. And we have plans on popping up into Squeaky Land. We have plans of popping up into Canada next year while we're up near the border. And if it was going to take more than 2 months or 3 months to get my passport back, that was going to be a problem. So I found out today, because Aaron was like, get on there, figure it out, see what you need to do. I popped on, and there's this little questionnaire. And apparently, if your passport has been issued within the last 15 years, you can renew it even if it's expired. So I'm going to do that. You just have to fill out a form, do a picture, send in the old one and some money, and they send you back a new one. I should probably get it back in, I think it was 3 to 5 weeks or something.
Oh, that's good. That'll be
Yeah.
before we head that way.
So that should be plenty of time, because we're not leaving Florida until the first week of March. So that should be fine.
You giving out information?
What? We keep saying March. They know we're leaving in March, and they know we're going west.
Yes.
They know Utah's on the docket,
Yes.
right? And we got a Jeep. Got a Jeep. We got to go off-road with it. So why don't we just go straight to the best place in the country to go off-roading? So I think the fish is probably getting near done.
I think it's done.
Broccoli's probably near done, so let's check on that. This little skinny one's probably done. I really am not good at cooking fish, so I'm going to have to just take these off and cut them open and see what happens. They look good, though.
We're using copper plates?
Yeah, we'll have to use the pasta bowls, or the plates, yeah. Either one's fine.
Okay, we have...
You see our terrible organizational skills here?
Yeah. So do you want big plate or little plate or pasta bowl, or what do you want?
Let's do pasta bowl, because the broccoli kind of rolls around. Don't look at me sideways when I talk about rolly broccoli.
Okay.
And pull yours out first.
Yeah. Mine's been in there for 18 minutes. I'm sure that it is, like, done.
It's
oh,
been
it is
18 minutes?
Yep.
Oh, boy, that looks good.
That was yummy.
So it's got a little bit of crispies on the edges. It just folded and broke. So,
It looks good.
yeah, the skinny one's good.
Okay. Plate it up. This food will not be about presentation.
No. I have probably cooked fish less than 10 times in my life. It's really just...
Half of those times was with, like, Blue Apron or...
I'm not even
Hello
counting
Fresh?
those times.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because those have very good directions. That looks good. I'll take it. Are you enjoying your glamorous seat amongst the laundry?
Yes. This is our dinner.
It looks really good.
It looks healthy.
Have you tried the fish yet?
No.
Okay, that's what I'm curious about. We know the broccoli's good. It's just a matter of how much it cooks. But the fish, don't know.
Yeah, it's really good.
Is it?
Mhm.
Does it need anything?
Oh, it's good.
It's good?
I like it.
Okay. That was just
Lemon pepper.
lemon pepper on both sides for like 20 minutes before I cooked it.
Yeah, that's really good.
Good
I like
stuff?
it. Mm-hmm.
All right.
Okay, sit down and eat.
Okay.
If you don't put this laundry away, it's never going to be put away. I folded it.
Ain't that the truth?
It is the truth. I hate laundry.
Dinner was good?
Dinner was delicious.
It was.
It exceeded expectations.
I would make that exactly that same way again.
Yes.
Tara and I are going to leave in about 20 minutes.
Where you going?
Going to see Spider-Man
Again.
again.
Okay. That means early night for me.
Can I go?
No, you cannot go. Because it's going to be super late. We'll be back tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
You'll be asleep. You better be asleep by the time like the movie starts.
Yeah. I'm going to work on the Christmas Eve video for Vlogmas while you're gone.
You're going to collect assets.
Collect assets.
I'm not sure what the format of it is.
Mommy,
going to be
hold
yet.
my hands so I can't.
We'll see.
All right, so this is day 21.
Yep.
Day 24 is going to be your special project. So we have 2 days in between, 22 and 23.
Yes.
I forgot my numbers for a second.
It's okay. We'll figure something out.
Yeah.
Because that's what Vlogmas is all about. Trying to find Christmassy things to do for all 24 days of December.
Wait, so Vlogmas isn't Winging It in Fresno?
That's the name of our band. Hashtag Sequoia.
Okay. If you have any idea what we're talking about, leave a comment.
Leave a comment down below. If you know what Winging It in Fresno is and how it relates to Sequoia, please leave a comment down below. We did a really fun Zoom call last night
Oh, yeah.
with some of our Roadrunners Roadrunners are our patrons through Patreon. If you're interested in doing that, there'll be a link down below. But we did a Secret Santa, our second annual Secret Santa, and it was fun. It was a 2-hour-long conversation and show and fun friend stuff.
Yeah,
So,
we do get questions pretty frequently if we do live streams. We've done 2 live streams on this channel.
Yes.
But we do live streams almost every month with our
Almost.
Roadrunners.
In some way, shape, or form.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes there's Zoom calls, sometimes it's just a normal live stream.
Yeah. And then it's kind of like Day in the Life or Vlogmas, but for 2 hours long with us.
It's just train of thought.
Train of thought. The children pop in. The dog pops in. Yeah. It's fun.
So if you like live streams, look into that.
Yeah.
Maybe. It's up to you. I
Yeah.
think it's it.
Add anything else to to this one?
Just hiccups. See everybody tomorrow.
You don't want to be in the ending with me?
Well, dear, there's nowhere to sit on the couch.
There is place to sit on the couch.
Where,
Here, right here.
where can I sit on the couch?
Right here.
Right there. I'm going to knock over all
No,
these
you're not.
stacks.
Come
Vector's
right
like,
here.
I'll sit there.
Vector's like, here, you're tapping the couch.
You think I'm skinnier than...
Just sit down, Brian. Oh my gosh, you are on top of me.
Uh-huh. It's either on top of you or, well, I'm on top of laundry, too.
That's fine.
Yep. Hi, Vector. Yeah, you got Patton on the couch, and now Vector's
Yeah, I know.
all excited. So that's it. Sorry, busy day.
Yeah, very busy
Busy day. I don't know if tomorrow's going to be any different, honestly. So, yeah, we'll see. So Tara and I are going to go see Spider-Man
Again.
again. She's excited. We're both excited. Very excited. I don't know what we're doing for New Year's this year. I don't even know what we're doing for Christmas Day.
I know what we're doing Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and New Year's Eve, and New Year's Day. And I've told Brian what we're doing,
For New Year's?
but he's forgotten already. Fun time.
Well, that feels good. Scratches. Scratches.
Thanks for watching Vlogmas. We appreciate you.
Yeah.
And we'll see you tomorrow, guys.
Alrighty.
Bye.
Bye.
What's that?
Hi 5 to Go viewers, this is Sean from Scouting the Horizon. We live in Southwest Florida. When we travel, we're weekenders in a 45-foot toy hauler. Our favorite Christmas tradition as a family is to build gingerbread houses, and go look at ones too. Hope you have a great Christmas.